Jai Hind friends, welcome to this program called SimSim. So, although I have a recorded lecture of entire modern India of NCERT, which I have done during COVID period, but then I decided no, I'll start a new thing, and this course which I have termed as SimSim, it's not only teaching NCERT, no, not at all. This course is not only teaching NCERT, I am teaching you NCERT, no. This course through NCERT, via NCERT, I will tell you what is mains. I will tell you what is prelims. And side by side, with the help of NCERT, we will discuss syllabus also. So when you will end this course, it's not NCERT. It's not only NCERT, I will come to the class and tell you, see, Mughal Empire collapsed and then this Murshid Quli Khan is coming and so and so. No, not at all. It's by Almighty's grace and your choice. And it will be done, history will be done by Awadh Ojha. History. Utkarsh, what happened? You do just refresh your system. So it's not simply a course of teaching NCERT, it will include multiple dimensions, multiple, and you have a choice. In every subject, because you have to know about the teacher's name will not be disclosed. In every lecture, first 3 classes will be free. First 3 classes, or you can say first chapter will be free, so that you can judge about the teacher, you can judge about the course, you can take the decision in the first chapter what exactly we are going to do. Now the course fee is 3,000 per subject. But if you have taken in the discount period, there will be a discount period. And in discount period, if you take the subject, because it's a matter of risk, in discount period it is 1100 per subject. Like for example, you have taken this course in discount period, so it's 1100. But I guarantee you or guarantee is not the right word. I assure you, I'll take back my word. I assure you that once you will complete this course, the game of IAS will become easy for you, because you will start understanding everything. Bluetooth is a different program, Sonu Yadav. Bluetooth is a program of awakening, approach. This is a program of teaching. In 7 months, I will complete NCERT, entire 7 months. 7 months, this course will be over. The scheduled course is only for 7 months. Bluetooth has no course limit, it will go on. Teaching is secondary in Bluetooth. Here only teaching. Bluetooth is for awakening. You should get up early in the morning, and then you should do yoga, meditation, dhyan, etc., etc. Plus, those who have joined this course, I will give you a gift also. And the gift will be so surprising to you. I will not disclose what will be the gift, but this will be the surprising gift for you. Gagandeep Singh, it will be entire Indian history, ancient, medieval, modern. In modern India, but whole emphasis will be on modern India, complete emphasis on modern India. You will get some questions of mains, and then some questions of prelims. "50 questions of mains from NCERT, 50 questions. No, meditation has now started in Bluetooth. Then medieval India, ancient India. Here only the discussion of the topics, nothing else. No mains, no prelims. Nothing. No mains, no prelims. Medieval India, we have to wait for the new NCERTs. But then the entire options will be discussed. Entire all the subjects in 7 months, all 5 subjects: history, geography, polity, economy, science. 5 subjects in 7 months. Acha, thumbnail was only of modern India. This is that, Utkarsh, that is why I am here in the class. I want to tell you the details. First 3 classes of every subject, will be free. You can say first chapter will be free. 3,000 per subject is the fees, per subject. 5 subjects, 15,000. But if you take the course in discount period, it will be 5,000. Higher the risk, higher the profit. then it's a 7-month course. 5 NCERTs, 5 subjects will be completed in 7 months. 5 subjects. Now it has been a disintegrated program. You are watching history, then you will take when polity will start, you can take first 3 classes of polity free. If you are interested, you can continue with polity. So it's your choice, it's not a compulsion. SimSim is to open the door. If you have to do all the subjects, but you take admission subject by subject, don't worry. Don't deposit the fees immediately, 5,000, please. You take the course subject by subject. We are not in hurry. Why you are in hurry? Next month when we will introduce polity, first 3 classes will be free, discount period will be there. In that discount period, you can take the admission. Don't deposit the fees immediately for all the subjects. Please. It's my request, don't deposit the fees for all the subjects immediately. You are in hurry, you take 5,000 from me. No, first complete history, see the course. No, one by one. First history, one by one subject will be completed. This is a completely different course. Yes, subject will be taught in linear fashion. This is a subject oriented, this is a course for preparation. That is a course for personality. This is the reason I have to start this course, because Bluetooth is connected to personality. How to study, how to manage yourself. And SimSim is the course for preparation. There is a difference between Bluetooth and SimSim. Everyone's number is on the screen. Security reason. So no need to deposit the fees immediately, please. It's my request to all of you. You have deposited the fees for history, that's very good. Please wait. You have money in your pocket, keep it. This course is a completely English medium course. Completely. We are planning for Hindi medium also, but because it will not be the things to intermix the things. Hindi, English, etc., etc. No. But there is a change in schedule. Actually, initially I thought that I will take only the topics. So initially what happened, that initially I thought that I will take only the topics and discuss the topics. But now I have changed my plan. Now what I am going to do, and for that I require some time. So earlier what I have done, I have only discussed the topics. and everything was finished. Ancient and medieval, they don't have so much place in civil service examination. They don't have so much place in civil service, but then I will give you the outline of both ancient and medieval, don't worry. So initially what in previous NCERT I have done, I have discussed only the chapters, nothing else. But now what I have added two things in this. In every chapter, 3 to 5 questions of mains I have designed. And 10 questions of prelims. Every chapter, every. Thirteen fives are 65. So you will have 50 questions of mains here. 50. And approximately, although 13 into 10 is equal to 130, but approximately 200 questions for prelims. And this is basically to tell you that what is called mains and prelims. Sanjay Chauhan, it's a NCERT program, and you know I use, where is the NCERT? So now as I am adding this questions, prelims and mains also, so I want some time from all of you. And I hope you all will cooperate with me, because earlier, no, definitely. This is the book, NCERT. This I am going to cover. It's a wonderful book. And I tell you, once you will complete it, possibly, no, class notes, you will take class notes in NCERT. This is a book. 13 chapters are there, but I assure you again, no guarantee. Modern India, NCERT by Bipin Chandra, class 12th. Then I will give you the outline of ancient India, this is the NCERT which you have to follow in this course. It's a wonderful NCERT. And whenever the course will start, for example, I am starting the course of history, I am telling you this is the NCERT. Bipin Chandra, Modern India, class 12th. Ancient India, you will refer R.S. Sharma, old NCERT. Medieval India, Satish Chandra. But here, the outline of ancient and medieval, which will be more than sufficient to understand and go through the NCERTs, because the target is to finish it in 1 month and give you the approach. And whenever the teacher will come for a particular subject, he will tell you which NCERT to prepare. Don't worry. Classes will be recorded plus live. After the end of every chapter, the teacher will come, recorded plus live. After the end of every teacher, for example, when the first chapter will end up, 18th century India, I'll come to discuss the chapter, to tell you the approach of that chapter, to discuss the current scenario of the chapter, to discuss the mains question of the chapter, to discuss the prelims. See how prelims questions will be framed from here, how mains question will be framed for here, so that with the end of the session, you are clear. Acha yaar, this is mains and this is prelims. I have seen people preparing for 10 years without understanding what is mains and prelims. Classes will be 5 days in a week. Classes will be 5 days in a week. And it's not that NCERT will cover 6 to 12. No. History subject, polity subject, economy subject, geography subject. In geography, you have 6, 7, 8, then 11. In polity, you have 10th, 11th and 12th. But then I request to all of you that to complete it, to add these two things in your course, mains and prelims question, you please give me 15 days time. This is a request from all of you, so that we can start this course from 15th of November. (15th of November 2023) 6 p.m. I will be very thankful to all of you. Thank you. I will be very thankful to all of you. But before I end this session, please draw this diagram. And if you want, the two parts of modern India, 1757 to 1857 and 1857 to 1947. This is the part of company, East India Company, and this is the part of Crown. End of old order. Beginning of new order. This diagram you have to keep in your mind. Before starting the syllabus, this diagram you have to imprint your mind. Validity will be extended, don't worry. Your validity will be extended, don't worry. Validity will be extended. Your validity will be extended, don't worry. Apart from this, one more program which is for everyone in this country, fourth law. The first episode of this program will be released on 13th of November, 7 p.m. Please Sonu Yadav, don't worry, there will be a program for Hindi medium also. Definitely Hindi medium, complete Hindi medium program. Apart from this program, fourth law, three laws Newton have given: the body at rest, will be at rest, the body in motion will be in motion. Amit, there are 10 students in this batch. Shambhavi, very good. So, fourth law, it's for everyone. Three laws Newton have given. Fourth I am going to give you. Direction decides the destination. There is so much frustration in this country, and if I say in entire world, it will not be wrong. And three incidents gave so much pain to me. One of them happened in front of me. Recently, a lady in Hapur railway station, she simply got down the railway station and she started walking on the other side of the railway station. This app has PC version. Windows. And then the train was coming from the other side. She went and in a very light way she lied down on the track and she was chopped off into pieces. That is Avinash Yadav, that is a Bluetooth program. I already told you Bluetooth is a different program. Bluetooth is a different program. It's a personality based program. SimSim is a preparation based program. Fourth law. First episode will be relayed on 7th p.m. Three incidents. No class notes. Arey yaar, you will take class notes of NCERT. So, then a lady I saw on Twitter, a small girl, she jumped from 7th floor of building in a society in Patna. And the biggest event was a guy of class 9th. A guy of class 9th committed suicide because of pressure of studying. So, this will be on 13th November. Your program will be on 15th November. The episodes will be uploaded on same app, Avadoja. So, thank you all of you. I hope you would have got the outline of this program and your doubts would have been over. So, we'll meet you on 15th at 6 p.m. Thank you and Jai Hind.